Alright YouTube, good morning. We got a special trip going on today. My son has found himself a 3rd Gen Camaro just like the one I have. So we are getting ready to go and pick up the U-Haul trailer and go look at this this Camaro. I believe it's an 86. So getting everything ready, just got done getting some stuff going. And now I'm just waiting for my boy to get down here so we can get this show on the road. Alright guys, we're here at the bank getting the cash out. Got one kid, the other kid's going over there, and we got a scruggly dog. Cody, say hi to the camera. Come here. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, good boy. Sit. No, sit. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Alright, so hopefully next update we are stopping at the place where the Camaro is, so that's where we are going next. Alright guys, so unfortunately that Camaro was a bust. It was roached out like an SOB. No seats, huge holes cut in the floorboards, front bumper was missing, the front glass was busted. The side passenger glass was shattered out of it. They had it listed for $500. That was not just a project car. That's no motor, no transmission. It was bad. It was real bad. If it had at least the seats in it, the center console, and I don't know, some half decent floorboards in it, you know, probably could have made a decent offer for it. But we're hunting, we're not giving up, we still have the trailer. And I think I just got a text message back. We got another we got another 3rd Gen Camaro. It's a 92. Guy just hit us up, so let me pull over here and we'll go check it out. And that one looked a lot better, so we'll get back to you here in a second.
I don't like sitting.
Alright guys, so here's the here's what we're looking at. 305. It's got a 5-speed stick in it. Only thing it's missing right now is the pulley down here at the bottom and the water pump. But this is in way better condition. Way better condition than the last one we looked at. This guy's got quite a few here. 2nd Gen. It's got a Firebird. It's T-tops, but these are actually plexiglass T-tops. Got a little rust. That's definitely gonna have to get fixed. Not too bad. We can fix that. But this one is in way better condition than the last one we looked at. It actually has seats, doors open and closed pretty nice. We actually got a 5-speed stick. What do you think, bub? Clutch? How's the clutch feel? Got some pressure behind it?
I don't think so.
Does it go to the floor pretty easy?
Yeah, but it's...
Oh, it
not really
stayed?
coming back.
Oh, maybe it's hydraulic, I don't know.
Could be.
But it goes into gear though, huh?
Yeah.
2nd, 3rd. Well, you said you want a drifter. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna need some work.
Oh, just say a Suburban.
Yeah, it's pretty common. Well, this is an RS.
See, red line's at 7.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Take this puppy to the red line. But this is in definitely way better condition. The keys are in ignition. You can pop the hatch real quick. We can take a look at the hatch. It's got the tail lights. A little buffing will get all this stuff out. Let me grab the keys. Okay. Definitely a little bit of water on the top of this gas, or a little rust on this gas tank lid. But door panels, manual, all the windows are in. Unlock the, you gotta pull that down. See if it opens. No, pull it down from the top. There you go.
Four of them, so make sure it's right.
Okay.
Round key.
Yeah. Squares ignition, round.
Yeah. Old
Doors
style,
and
baby. 2 keys per car.
Yeah. There you go. Turn it. You got to pop it up.
And lift up on it.
Turn it to click.
They're electric.
Oh, they're electric.
Yeah.
Oh, so it might not pop then.
It should unlock it.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at that. Does it hold itself up? Oh. Almost. Oh, almost.
It's cold. They might.
Yeah, I got to warm them up a couple times. Just run them up and down. It'll go.
Does it?
There you go. Oh, it does stay. Look at that. Well, you're already ahead of mine.
You can match it up.
Okay. What was she say? Here. Check the VIN number. Mine's rusted out.
Yeah.
I got my on my 82. It's rusted out bad. The whole VIN number.
that with 2 parts.
You said this is a 90, 92?
It was in real good shape.
You know what? I might, if you let this thing go for really cheap, I might take it just because I want the ground effects.
Yeah, the ground effects themselves are worth it. But
Yeah.
I paid for this car. It's still the engine. See,
He's got a,
get out of it.
is that the original steering wheel or did he change that?
Yeah. And he went over it.
Oh yeah, you can see the steering wheel's bent. Yep. Oh, his hair's still stuck in the glass.
When he hit the back of that
Look,
and the airbag didn't pop.
you got glass.
So I was like, he went right over the sensors though.
You see, he's got hair in the glass yet. Certified head smacking. Yeah, I'm gonna save your number.
One of those deals, if I don't sell it for what I got in it, eventually I might build it.
Right. Not bad. Not bad. This is a RS Z28. Yeah, I don't know. All right, so what do you think, Shug?
Epic.
Epic? All right, so I think I might got me a deal on this thing. Sounds like I might be trading the front clip of my GMC Yukon for this right here. For all the plethora of parts I may want. This is fucking awesome. This turned out to be a pretty goddamn good day. So, my son just bought that green one over there. $400. Here we go. What do you think, bub? You happy? I see a big old smile on your face.
A little bit. Be happier once we get home.
Yeah? Get it in your yeah. Well, hey, if he trades me for that front clip for that truck, that'd be perfect. You can have that motor. Alright, gentlemen, so as I'm backing this in, I want to take a second and explain to you here. The hitch was not tightened onto my ball, and my son's recording me backing up. He will pan past it, and there'll be a good point to pause the video, and if you really take a close look at the little square handle on the top of the ball where it should be tightened down, there should be threads sticking up on there, and if you look closely, there's no threads. It's flush, so it was never tightened. We drove probably around for an hour with it like that. It's amazing it never came off on the highway doing 70-80 mile an hour. So just a word of precaution, check it. Even though U-Haul does it, man, check it. You just never know. But here in just a second, you'll see him pan by. Right about now is a good time to pause.
Awesome.
Awesome backing up skills right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so this, I'm gonna lay down like that. Excuse me. Well, the first one definitely didn't work out that great, but turned out to be decent. Decent. That's good. That's pretty awesome, and I might actually have a good deal out of it too. Can't beat that. Been thinking about maybe doing a third gen swap dash too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen one guy on YouTube that did it. My other thing too is nobody's showing how to learn four-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Every time you go on the floor, everyone's like, just trade your truck and get a four-wheel drive. It's like, that's not the point. You already own a two-wheel drive, you can get a clone. You know, nobody's shown how to do that.
Move the fan over.
Yeah, you're just, hold on. Good guy. What's this frame from?
91 Chevy truck. I was gonna use that on the front of that 60.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a 60?
65.
Yeah, I had a 65 I was working on. I had a buddy, we did a 6.0 swapping.
Windshield's not cracked.
Yeah, the windshield's not cracked. Look at that. Jesus. You're lucky. Well, I'll tell you what, if I get that one, you can take those glass tops and swap them out.
No, not too big on the focus.
Yeah, but you want that plexi, that stuff's coming. What's that? Can you pull forward a little bit?
Yeah.
We got manpower, we can do it. I learned to push this car. Which way we gotta go? Forward or back?
It doesn't matter. Whatever makes it easier. I guess if you want, if I'll cut the wheels a little forward, might be a little easier.
Yeah, that back. Further back.
Yeah. Getting a new dash.
That's the same original. I'm talking about just for
Yeah. Alright, careful. Wanna go straight back or? Yeah. Okay. Awesome power 15
Hope not. I got a jack for that.
I'm hoping. Good job. Good job. Oh, you can just stand back and film. You don't have that. Yeah. Okay. Both wheels can go opposite directions if you want to. Think one of us needs to get in there and drive? Alright, go ahead. You can go in there. You can just aim. Make sure you get your tires aimed up on that right there.
Yeah.
Turn this way a little bit. Turn this way. And aim for those ramps, alright?
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, so another quick voiceover. As you see the car go up onto the trailer, you'll kind of see the trailer move kind of funky. I believe at this point is when it came up off the ball. And you'll see the trailer seems to be moving an awful lot, but thankfully nobody got hurt. Just want to do another quick voiceover. We were having a hard time. It got to a little bar there and we were rocking it. And she's on though. But I'm sure here in a second you'll probably see the... Oh no, you won't see it because I didn't leave the camera there as we drove off. Maybe I should do that next time. There you go. Cool. Looks like we're all good to go then. Alright, next stop is home. Alright, so we're home. We had a fun little mishap just a second ago. Well, not a second ago. In the video, it'll be a second ago. Apparently the U-Haul guy forgot to tighten down that thing, and when we loaded the trailer, or loaded the car on the trailer, it must have popped off the hitch and was just resting there, because when I went to go pull out of the parking lot, whole front of this trailer just dropped. So that was interesting. So now we're about to unload her, put her in the backyard, and we'll get back to you on that.